So hey there, welcome back to another video of AMN YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be talking about top 5 humanoid robots. So before getting started, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel, like this particular video so you never miss an update. So here are the top 5 humanoid robots. So starting out the video. So first of all, here are the table of contents that we need to discuss. The top 5 humanoid robots. And Nine Gemini DK. It's like Django Shera. It's like Gia Sophia, and then we have frequently asked questions. And at the end of the video, we have some of the conclusive findings as well. Anyways, a humanoid robot is similar to a human body in shape. These robots are professional service robots. Service robots are built for interaction with human tools and customer service. These humanoid robots are also used for inspection and maintenance. They have skin and eyes, but they are not made of flesh and bones. But the latest iterations can talk like humans, walk like humans, and express a wide range of emotions. In this tutorial, we will explore the top 5 humanoid robots in the world. So here are the top 5 humanoid robots. The first one is Nida, and second one is Gemini DK. The third one is Junko Shera, fourth one is Jia, fifth one is Sophia. So now look at these top 5 humanoid robots in detail. The first one is Nadine. So Nadine is an empathetic robot that returns greeting, makes eye contacts, and remembers all the conversations that have been had with her. She's like human. That she's a human-like robot with personality, more and emotion. The face and hands of Nadine are created by Japanese company Kokoro, similar to a created Professor Nadia Thalman. So, anyways, this glowing skin and flowing beard, when it had humanoid robotic can recognize you for previous visits, make eye contact, shake your head, continue chatting based on previous meetings, and so on. She has a 3D depth cameras, a microphone, and a webcam together, visual and audio inputs there, and then there are various perception layers that process these inputs to recognize different faces, gestures, emotions, and behavior to analyze and respond accordingly. So Nadine is working at AIA Singapore, an insurance company, as a receptionist. Now moving on to the next robot, which is Geminoid GK. So Geminoid DK. This robot is a realistic twin of Henry's Cash of the University of Albany. Here's the latest iteration of the Geminoid series of ultra-realistic androids. Androids, these humanoid robot results from a collaboration between a private Japanese firm and Osaka University, which was prized by Hiroshi Ishiro, the director of the university's Intelligent Robotics Laboratory. So it took 9 months to craft the Gemini DK. Not only with this, his overall appearance was inspired, but his behavior and even the way he shrugs him when also fed shrugs him were also fed to the robot, and Scarfe also denoted the strands of his own hand to be used in the Geminoid wig. This bot is very realistic, as people tend to be mistaken for the person desired to look alike. The main purpose of this creation is to make the humanoid look completely like a human. Now moving on to the next humanoid robot. Who is Junko Shira? Junko Shira is a very elastic android robot created by Toshiba. Junko works full-time in a tourist information center in Tokyo. It is successor of another android, Eiko Shira, who worked as a receptionist in the department store in Japan. Earlier, Junko Shira was only able to respond with the scripted preset speech, but from 2017, it has gained speech recognition capabilities and can respond to tourist questions as well. Thousand Kochera will not only work in the tourism and the service industries, but she will also jump into the healthcare for all the people. Hitoshi Takuda, the chief specialist of the Shiba's Research and Development Center, informed us that it would combine the humanoid with any kind of language processing system. Junko stands 5 feet 5 inches taller, resembling a 26-year-old Japanese woman. The next humanoid robot is Jia Jia. Jia Jia is a Chinese first humanoid robot. The Chinese humanoid robot plus puts on a charm in Shanghai. People worldwide admire Jia for her most realistic and alluring appearance. Jia is created by the University of Science and Technology research team in China. This astounding beauty can hold a normal conversation with people with microbial facial expression. She does with the help of speech generation algorithms and facial recognition technologies. Those speech patterns are not still smooth. JJ makes it by looking remarkably human-like. Cloud technology controls her entire action. JJ has such realistic expression, as a special emphasis with her was given to her eyes, so that she can catch different gestures, emotions, behavior, and so on. A team leader Jen Xiaoping said proudly that with a little have more effort, JJ can see a bright future of her kind. Now you will look at the next human robot in the list. So that was it for this particular video. Hope you have liked it, and we'll meet in the next video with another interesting topic. That's it. Thank you for watching.